January 22nd, 2021 lesson. All right, we're going to continue with the percent proportion. What is 26% of 50? All right, so what is 26%? So we have that percent here. Of 50. So we have of 50, so that of's going to go down here. So I'm just kind of color coordinating here. 26% of 50. We don't know what is that. So we do know that 26% is 26 out of 100 with our fraction. So remember, we can always put that percent first. Then our total of 50. That total, well, there's going to be a number of 50. So 50 is going to go in our denominator. And then we are going to have an x, or an unknown number, or our variable, up in that numerator. Now we can solve it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. 100 times x is going to be 100x. And no, it does not matter which side you do. You can do it like this, like I'm doing right now, or like we did the other day, you can go like this and put it on that side. Whichever way you want to do is fine with me, and it works perfect both ways. 50 times 26, let's do 50 times 26. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Done with that 6. 0 placeholder. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 0, 0, 3, 1. So 1,300. All right, now Mr. X-Man is telling that 100, you need to go to the other side of this equal sign, dude. So we need to do the inverse operation, or the opposite of what it's being done right now, meaning it is being multiplied right now because they are right next to each other. So we need to divide both sides by that 100 to get it away from that x, because we need to find x's identity on its own. So now we can, 100 divided by 100 is just going to be 1. So we are just left with x on that side. Sorry, real quick. There we go. We are left with x on that side. We still have that equals. Now, here's the thing. We can cross out some zeros. There's a 0, there's a 0. There's one in the top, one in the bottom. Now look at this. We didn't even need to divide because look. 13 divided by 1. That is just 13. So our answer is 13. That is it. Bada bing, bada boom. Woohoo! I hope you're getting a little bit better with our percents, as I am, so that would be great. Great job!